Huh?
Oh my God!
Oh my God, bro.
Oh hell no, man! What the fuck, man?
Invited this man.
Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly ass.
What the